It's me, Hazel. And today I'm so excited. Look what I got. So it says candy, scented, fluffy, stretchy slime, listed over 3000 this in size, and a girl stretching the slime. So it says on this and under that says which one you can get. This is, I don't know what this, I think it is. So, okay. So there's grape. I think we got grape. So look here. So I already opened the top. Okay. I already opened it a bit before. That's all. That's it. I know my friend, my Bangladeshi friend used to have one of these, and it was like they had a bunch of surprises in it. So it's not just this. I'm gonna get some scissors. I was confused. I thought she was going to skip the video. This is all clay. Guys, if you go to Bangladesh, never buy this. It's not worth it. Oh wait, actually? Oh. Hey, I did. Oh.
Can I try?
Not now, okay? 1 second.
It looks so sleepy.
This is actually kind of worth it. I'm gonna put this her in. Can you please just stop disturbing me? There's this face that me and my sister always make. So it's so funny. She started making it when I just came here. It was like this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's very sparkly. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. This is not sticky at all. It smells good. It smells like grape. This is such a good slime. This is like one of my favorite slime textures. Look, if you feel this, it's like so fluffy. So it's an amazing package. I love the packaging. New glitter sparkle, and ages free. I don't think the 3-year-olds will really like this thing. It might be like bigger than a head. Okay, come on, Kiara.
Yay.
This is my sister.
Hello.
She went crazy today.
My toy.
Yeah, she also had a toy. So we went shopping. It's like a My Little Pony and it's Pinkie Pie with wings.
I'm gonna comb her hair.
Her cutie mark is big. And now, do you want to feel this?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Lulu sweet.
Kiara, you're crazy with it.
Come on.
It smells like grape. Now, I'm gonna try this. I'm a boy.
But it's
Oh. I just don't trust my sister with the stuff. She always breaks them. Okay, done. Give Eric. Okay, go back to your Amazon toy stuff. Okay, I'm getting a hang of this. Yep, I love it. I'm gonna stretch it. Kiara, hey, feel this, touch this.
Okay.
Like this. So soft.
Let's make a bubble with it.
No, bubbles don't work with this slime. Don't take on my iPad.
Hi,
Okay.
my name is Didi. Ma.
Her name is Kiwi.
No,
actually.
my name is Kiwi Wee Wee.
Yeah, her nickname is Kiwi Vivi. Her real name is Kia. I mean, her real name is Kiwi, and well, I call her Kia.
And no, my name is Kiwi Wee Wee.
No, your nickname is Kiwi. Your name is Kiwi. And I'm Hazel. My mom likes kiwis, and my dad really loves hazelnuts.
I love kiwi, the fruit, kiwi, the fruit.
Yeah, kiwi is like, oh no, this hole's here. Brother,
This
in this slime, there's literally freaking holes. Well, it's fine.
Hey,
We bought
I want to go see how to do.
two more toys
Come.
that I'll open up. Okay.
Oh no, yay. Oh no, yay.
Seriously, the water bottle
Serious.
broke.
Serious.
The thing is, I actually really wanted, I'm gonna take the sticker out. I actually really wanted the blue one. It's my favorite color, blue.
You got purple. That's mom's favorite color.
Yeah, I know, mom's favorite color is purple.
My favorite color.
Now stop giving personal information. I wasn't looking, I was like looking at the camera for a little bit, and then I just kept focusing on the slime. It's scented, fluffy, stretchy slime. Yeah, I don't think it's that stretchy.
Mommy said we can have slime. But I really want that's slime with the dough inside.
I got it now.
I got a good one here.
So my sister has this bad habit. I don't know if I can do it. So my sister has a bad habit of like doing this, like sucking her finger. She did it like since she was like 2 or 1 years old. And she still does it, so Kiara, you have to brush.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
When sky is gray, you never notice how much I love you. You don't take my sunshine away. If you see this part of the video, send this part to someone you love. Okay, so it's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, bye.